Building an interactive case study in Outgrow is a game changer for anyone looking to create engaging, personalized content. Whether you're working on a product demo, a customer success story, or just want to showcase your services in a dynamic way, Outgrow allows you to do this easily. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build an interactive case study that will grab your audience's attention. First things first, if you're not familiar with Outgrow, it's an intuitive platform designed to create interactive content like quizzes, surveys, and calculators. It's a fantastic tool for marketers, business owners, or anyone looking to engage their audience. And the best part? You can get started for completely free using the first link below, which includes exclusive bonuses. Now let's dive into how to build your case study. The first step is to log in and choose the case study template from Outgrow's library. This will give you a solid foundation, but don't worry. You're not stuck with the template. You can customize it to reflect your brand's personality and your specific case study details. Once you've selected your template, it's time to add your content. The platform is designed for simplicity, so it's easy to upload images, videos, and even customer testimonials. For example, if you're showcasing a successful customer journey, you can add key data points and visual elements like before and after comparisons. Outgrow's drag and drop editor makes this all happen smoothly, ensuring you don't need to have any coding knowledge to build something impressive. Interactive elements are what really set Outgrow apart. With case studies, you'll want to make sure the user can interact with the content, such as choosing different options to explore specific details about your product or service. For example, you could allow the viewer to choose between different challenges that a client faced and the corresponding solution your business provided. This approach increases engagement and provides more personalized insights for each user. Another feature that's incredibly useful is the ability to track how users interact with your case study. Outgrow gives you analytics on what parts of your content are getting the most attention. This is crucial for understanding what's working and what needs improvement. You can also integrate calls to action throughout your case study. As users interact with the content, you can prompt them to schedule a demo, sign up for a consultation, or even download a resource. These CTAs can be strategically placed based on how far the user has engaged with the content, increasing the chances of conversions. Once your case study is live, you can easily share it with your audience via a custom link or embed it on your website. Whether you're using it as a lead generation tool or simply want to showcase your work, Outgrow makes it incredibly simple to reach your audience and measure the results. To wrap up, I highly recommend giving Outgrow a try, especially if you want to create an interactive case study that truly captures your audience's attention. And remember, you can access a free trial with exclusive bonuses using the link below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the Case Study Builder on Outgrow and start creating interactive content that stands out today.